Do you talk about money in front of your kids and include them into the conversation? Hi, welcome to the Money Talk with Miriam. Today I'm going to talk about money, literally, and why one of the first and most important steps to your kids' solid financial foundation is breaking the money taboo. In an ideal world, kids need to grow up on a stable financial environment where money is openly talked about, and what's most important, the emotion of it is calm. Kids learn what they see, and if they see you stressed or in tension every time that you talk about money, they're gonna grow up with the same feeling around it. Yes, this sometimes might not be easy, but it's important to understand that talking about money calmly doesn't mean that you need to have a lot of money. You can still be on a tight budget, but if you're actually in control of your money, that will give you the tranquility to talk about it in a calm way. Involving your kids in conversations where money is openly discussed will intrinsically help them understand that money is nothing to be afraid of or worried about, as long as they are in control of it. If you have enjoyed this video, please hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel to watch more videos about different ways to give your kids a solid financial foundation while having fun